guys, welcome back to my channel. It's NanaYaa Tresses here. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I mean, we are a happy group here trying to go ahead long, strong and healthy. Yes. If you're old, thank you so much for joining me once again. As always, it's NanaYaa Tresses. So I want to give you guys a little update. Remember I posted a video quite recently about me straightening my hair looking all flat, sleeky, movie, all that. Well, she's back in her original form, and I had a ruler set down yesterday. Try to show you guys that. Anyway, so I honestly thought I was gonna have some terrible heat damage. To be honest with you guys, I genuinely thought that this was going to be the end of my hair, because it's not going to be as big and poofy and all that after it's been straightened. But it reverted. It's back. It's thick again. It's huge again. Except I don't know if it's because my hair did not completely dry yesterday, or if it's because I may have gotten heat damage, because the bottom part of my hair, you can see some parts are very wavy. I put rollers in them. Those parts curled up, but the top is like I don't know what happened. But anyway, I'm just glad she's back and she's healthy. Okay, and she's big. That's all I care about right now. Anyway, well, I've said anyway so many times. Let's do a drinking game. Anytime I say anyway, you have to massage your scalp for 1 minute. That's a drinking game. That's a hairgrowth game. Okay, so I wanted to come at you and tell you guys about a hairgrowth challenge that I'm doing. So currently I'm using my hairgrowth oils, which if you've already watched the video on how to use it, you already know I'm going to be using it this entire period. It's going to stay the same. Deep conditioning, scalp massages, moisturizers and sealing, all that good stuff. But I am currently, I want to say 9 weeks, close to 10 weeks post relaxer. So my new growth, who doesn't respect? See, look at that. It's still a bit stretched from the rollers yesterday. It's super strong and healthy, and I want to be able to stretch for 16 weeks this time. Fingers crossed, guys, fingers crossed. So I'm gonna have, what's the name of this thing? Corn rolls installed in my hair. Then I can wear my wigs, and I have a couple of wigs I'm gonna be wearing. I'm gonna be looking hot and cute. Then I'm gonna take them out of 2 weeks or at least a month. I mean, at least 2 weeks or at most a month. I'm gonna wash my hair, condition my hair, then put some braids in it for another 6 weeks. So maybe you might actually be able to get to 18 weeks or 16. We'll see, guys. We'll see. If I'm able to do this entire stretch without braiding my hair, this will be the first time, and I'll be so proud of myself, because I'm trying to get rid of braids. I'm trying to stick more to the wigs, because I realize that wigs are versatile. I can wear whatever I want, whenever I want. Whenever I wear new wigs, like I'm a new girl, like yes. When I wear my braids, the first few weeks, oh, you're cute. Then the new growth begins to come in, which I personally like that, because then it gives me that whole bohemian chic vibe. I don't really care like that, I'm a wild woman. But then people think it makes me look unkempt, which I do not like. But I like it personally. That's why I think I prefer dreadlocks, which I will not be doing again, by the way. They hurt. I'm rambling. Anyway, as always, it's been nice talking to you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you watch all my videos already and not subscribe, why? That's what I gotta ask you. Why? Bro, why are you doing this? Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Let's all go ahead. Healthy, luscious, and beautiful. See you next time. Bye.